Welcome to our analog broadcast channel. This system is used to broadcast emergency information, news, and general advice for survivor groups scattered across the Earth. We can confirm yesterday's reports that Stargate Squadron Psi have failed to return. Our sources have indicated that their first testing of the recovered Stargate technology ended catastrophically. The plasma gateway technology was intended to create a portal in one area and transport the crew to another, but upon entering Portal A, they failed to exit Portal B. Both portals collapsed in on themselves and the technology is once again non-functional. We do not yet have the names of those on board the craft they were in, but may their souls rest in peace. We can also report that the ongoing battle on the island has intensified over the last few days. The extreme climate combined with a lack of resources, according to our sources, led to a skirmish in and around various colony towns. The number of injuries and fatalities is not currently known, but the increasing violence means it will likely have risen significantly recently. This is unfortunately yet another example of colony conflicts, and it is such a pity that even in these times, when the global population is unknown, yet dwindling, that we still cannot unite and work together in the face of peril. Perhaps it is our inclination towards bloodshed that led to the circumstances humanity finds itself in. With the current harsh winter temperatures comes an increasing difficulty in growing crops. This will have no doubt devastated survivor colonies. We have provided plenty of advice regarding how to grow crops in harsh winters and which ones to grow. There is no need to provide that same advice here, as it is too late. If you have failed to grow a sufficient number of crops for your community, lives will be lost. The best course of action is to ration accordingly, and do your best to maintain calm to avoid the desperate violence that we have seen as of late. It seems most news at the moment is soul-crushingly depressing, but despite all this negativity, we have some good news to bring you. The battle that has been raging on for weeks on the island has come to a sudden halt. A few moments ago, our sources confirmed to us that combatants on the island have decided to drop their weapons, put an end to the fighting, and join together in singing and exchanging gifts. We have been informed that this is probably linked to the Christmas holiday, as today's date is December 25th, also known as Christmas Day. With little more than echoes of the old world remaining, little is known about how widely this holiday was celebrated, or its traditions, but what we do know is that it was a time for togetherness and festivities. A time when people would be happy for what they had, rather than angry about what they didn't have. A time people looked to the future with optimism, rather than despair. And most of all, a time of unity, not division. To those watching this broadcast, allow this news to give you hope. Savor your loved ones, appreciate what you have, and be kind, not cruel. Survivors of this world, goodbye for now, and Merry Christmas.